Part 1: Introduction to Spain. Spain, a country in southwestern Europe, is renowned for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes. From the bustling cities to the tranquil countryside, Spain offers something for every traveler. In this video, we'll explore some of the best cities to visit in Spain in 2025. Part 2: Barcelona, a Mediterranean gem. Barcelona, the capital of Catalonia, is a city that never fails to impress. With its iconic architecture designed by Antoni Gaudí, including the Sagrada Família and Park Güell, Barcelona is a must-visit for architecture enthusiasts. Additionally, the city offers beautiful beaches, a thriving culinary scene, and a vibrant nightlife. Part 3: Madrid, the heart of Spain. Madrid, the capital of Spain, is a bustling metropolis with a rich history. The city is home to world-class museums like the Prado and Reina Sofia, and it boasts a vibrant arts and culture scene. Madrid's lively atmosphere, delicious tapas, and numerous parks make it a popular destination for travelers. Part 4: Seville, a city of flamenco and orange trees. Seville, located in Andalusia, is a city with a unique charm. Its historic center, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is filled with stunning architecture, including the Alcazar Palace and the Seville Cathedral. Seville is also famous for its flamenco shows, delicious tapas, and the vibrant Feria de Abril. Part 5: Granada, home to the Alhambra. Granada is a city steeped in history and culture. The Alhambra, a Moorish palace and fortress, is one of the most visited attractions in Spain. Granada also offers stunning views of the Sierra Nevada mountains and a charming old town. Part 6: Valencia, a modern city with ancient roots. Valencia is a coastal city with a mix of old and new. The City of Arts and Sciences is a futuristic complex of buildings designed by Santiago Calatrava. Valencia is also known for its delicious paella, beautiful beaches, and the lively Fallas Festival. Part 7: Beyond the big cities. While these cities are undoubtedly popular, Spain has many other hidden gems to explore. Consider visiting smaller towns like Salamanca, Toledo, or San Sebastián for a more authentic experience. With its diverse landscapes, rich history, and warm hospitality, Spain is a country that has something to offer every traveler.